Hello everyone, we'll talk about basic structure of device of coater. First of all, we'll talk about photoresist line. As we talked about before, this is the photoresist line. The focus this time is a photo fiber sensor, or we call the photo sensor. The sensor kind of the material of the structure of the semiconductor equipment. We talked about it before. Fiber sensor is one of them. This is the PR tank, the photoresist installation tank. Next time we talk about weight meter. If the PR tank empty, the weight approaching to the set point minimum, so we will show the alarm empty to call equipment engineer to replace a new one. And sometimes some equipment has the fiber sensor here. If it detects the photoresist level at a low position, it will show the warning to warn the engineer to prepare a new button of photoresist to be ready for replacing. On the PR line, PR out. There's a photo sensor here. If the piping unfortunately empty, the fiber sensor will show alarm. Allow the engineer to check the system. There's no photoresist through here, so the engineer have to investigate it. Now go to the gas tank we talked about before. We use it to degas inside the photoresist. This usually has two fiber sensors. One is vent sensor. If the top of the gas tank, it senses no photoresist. Normally we have the situation the photoresist is full of the tank. If there is a gas over the top, around the top of the gas tank, gas, and it gets too much, you will let fiber sensor to sensor there is no photoresist here. It means there is a lot of gas here. So the photosensor, the fiber sensor, will call system to open the vent valve to vent the gas by the vacuum force. Here is the photo fiber sensor too. It's also an empty sensor. If it senses that the gas tank photoresist at low position, low level, it will show the alarm to warn engineer to check the system. There is no photoresist almost. Continue, follow the PR line to here. The PR going to the balance pump and to spray to dispenser device. Here is a fiber sensor too. This is the final check. If there is too much gas here or the photo sensor empty, the fiber sense will sense there is no photoresist here. It will show alarm to let the engineer to check. Sometimes balance pump have some issue. It will produce a little bit gas. Maybe the gas here stay here, so the photo sensor can sensor it. We don't want any gas stay inside the photoresist piping. To let the dispense the photoresist dispense at good fluid status. No gas is the best. Now we talk the EBR. It cleans the edge side of the wafer. The basic EBR is just like this. This is the needle nozzle to inject and spread the EBR liquid. EBR rings liquid to the edge of the wafer. And the wafer center must match the spin chuck center to let the EBR wide at any position the same wide the same, and the wide value is in spec, as we talked about before. Sometimes the EBR has two positions, up and down. The EBR needle nozzle up, it will spread wider value A, and down a little bit down. The EBR wide smaller, we get EBR wide value smaller. And use the cylinder to let EBR nozzle up down. There is a up limit sensor and a down limit sensor to tell the system it move to the up limit or down limit. This is the inferior device. And advanced EBR device just like this. In the same, this is the needle nozzle. To spread EBR to the edge of the wafer. It is the same status. Up position, the EBR rings wider. The down position, the EBR smaller. But we use the step motor to set the position. We can use the step motor to let it in a distance. You can set it this position, many position, not just 2 or 3. We use the step motor to control the up down at many position. It means that we can set the EBR wide by different process. Use the different setting. No need to let engineer to adjust it by the production. Notice a small device, we call it photoresist nozzle anti-dry. This is the dispenser of the photoresist, and this is a nozzle. When you stop dispense for a while, the nozzle near the air the PR inside will lose a little bit solvent, and it causes the PR more solid, or we call the PR a little bit dry. So we want to prevent this case. We use the PR rings solution. The PR ring solution supply the PR rings liquid to the anti-dry device. The anti-dry device is a small tank with PR rings solution inside, and after the PR dispense completely, the nozzle go to here to idle, and the PR rings vapor will keep PR inside the nozzle wet to avoid photoresist inside the nozzle get dry. So this is the PR nozzle anti-dry. Okay, let's all see you next time.